Hello everyone, I am Ankita from RS Excel. This is the class 6 and we are going to start chapter number 3. The name of chapter number 3 is the starting point. What is the means of a starting point? From where you start, that we call starting point. जहाँ से आप शुरुआत करते हैं, that we call starting point. So this story is about Milkha Singh and this is the biography of Milkha Singh. You know who is Milkha Singh? Milkha Singh is a runner. So let's start. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, he is a former Indian track and field sprinter. Milkha Singh, what is the other name of Milkha Singh? We also know him as a Flying Sikh. What is the name? Other name? Flying Sikh. Okay. He is a former Indian track and field sprinter. Who is he? He is a former Indian track and field sprinter. What is the means of a sprinter? The other word for the sprinter, we can use that short distance runner. The runner who runs in a short distance. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games of 1956, 1960 and 1964. He was a representative from the India in the Commonwealth Games and the Summer Olympic Games also. As a child, he used to run 10 km to school and back, so running long distances came naturally to him. When he was a child, he used to come his school for 10 kilometers daily, so he was used to it. In his youth, he joined the army, where he was introduced to running as a sport. When he was a young age, he joined the army, where he get a chance to start running like a sport. Having found his calling on the track, Milkha Singh went on to win several accolades for India at various international events. Milkha Singh was put on track for running and sent by India to many international events. India was much appreciated for him. He is best remembered for his fourth place finish in the 400 meters final at the 1960 Olympic Games. His fourth place time of 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record then and was held for almost 40 years. The accolade he received the most was the 1960 Olympic Games, in which the 400-meter race was to be held, and he got the fourth prize in it. And the fourth prize which he got in 45.73 seconds was the India's national record, which lasted for at least 40 years. It was the record which was lasted for 40 years. So come to the story. The story is narrated by Milkha Singh. He is telling that 3 fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army changed the course of my life. He is telling that when he was a new soldier, recruit means a new soldier. The other word for the recruit is new soldier. When he was a new soldier in the army, something was happened that time. What was happened? That 3 fortunate incidents. How many incidents? 3 fortunate incidents happened when in January 1953. He was new in the army that time, and that incident changed his life. So what happened? One morning, which morning? Saturday morning. He is telling the story that it was the morning of Saturday and the time was of roll call. What is the means of roll call? Roll call means attendance, which you get every day in the school. Roll call means attendance. So there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day. All 500 recruits would participate in the event. The top 10 would be exempted from the fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. So he's telling that that was the morning of Saturday, and he heard the announcement that 6-mile race to be held next day. So all the 500 soldiers, recruit means soldiers, are going to participate in it. And the important thing was that the top 10 winners would get a reward. What was the reward? The reward was 1 glass milk daily. And the other reward was that get relaxation from the fatigue duty. Everyone who top 10 who will be winner, they will get a relaxation from the fatigue duty. Fatigue means tiredness. The next morning we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off. He is telling that next morning everyone was ready to participate in the race. So they wore canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts. When the whistle started to blow, everyone was ready to set off. They started to run and filled with sense of mission. Sense of mission means wanted to win. I ran as fast as I could. Who ran? I means Milkha. Milkha Singh ran as fast as he could because he wanted to win the reward. What was the reward? 1 glass milk. It was a big reward for him because he belongs to the very poor family. So he wanted to get this reward. It was a very big task for him.